Your physical health is important to me. You feed on things that your physical body itself, if it could speak to you, would accuse you of not loving it. Take care of your physical health. Your health of your family and of my children on earth is important to me, for you must also realize the 3 blessings with me. Humanity's separation from me throughout history has brought negative consequences on earth as well. And we must change them together. Certainly your spiritual eternal life is more important to be lived healthy spiritually, but its root begins with your physical life being healthy. If you live well physically and use your physical body for good and to do good deeds, you also grow well spiritually. Your physical body and spirit are interconnected in a give and take. The 3 blessings given by me to Adam and Eve, Genesis chapter 1, are for all of you. Please realize my ideal of creation in your life that will benefit you in eternal life. You are my children, and your body is my temple, but also the temple of your spirit. Your personality, it is a substantial expression of feeling, emotions, heart, and love. Without a healthy body, if you are in a wheelchair, you can't have as much interaction with this world. You can't do good deeds, social interaction, sports at a high level. Your body, says the Bible, is temple of God, and I ask you to honor it and take care of it. I am a real God in your life, even if you do not feel it spiritually often. I am close to you in your good and bad experiences, in your relationships with people, with the world, in your physical and sports life also. I am close to you in your life at home, in the workplace, in your friendships, desires, hopes. It is important in your life that you understand this. My heart and feeling toward you is unchanging and transcends your daily experiences.